Hello and welcome to WealthyTrades.com. In this video, I want to show you some very basic strategies you can use depending on the current market environment we find ourselves in. And the market environments, if you remember from prior videos, can be one of four environments. They can be most bullish, mildly bullish, most bearish, or mildly bearish. A most bullish environment is represented like the one we see here. We have market that is moving up, and this is on a weekly basis. We have 71.1% of the stocks in the S&P 500 on a weekly basis in an uptrend. The trend quality is above 50%. In this case, it's 53.5%. Therefore, we find ourselves in a most bullish environment. Market is up, trend quality is above 50%. In that environment, we have a couple things we can do. And using the Wealthy Trades dashboard, we can do these things very simply. We can buy the best performing sector. In this case, the best performing sector on a weekly basis in this up market with the trend quality above 50% is the XLV. It's the healthcare sector. The healthcare sector has a very high quality. It's the same quality score that they use on the market. Very high quality. It has great stats, meaning it opened at 72.47. It has an upside level for this week of 73.25, and it has a historical hit rate on that level of 51.9%. To take it even further, we can buy and be confident to buy the best stocks within the best sector. And right here, Wealthy Trades pairs these out and gives you the 8 best stocks based on the historical hit rates of their upside or their trend level. In this case, we give you the 8 stocks to go into. You can then click on each one of these stocks and get the details, the levels to win data for each one of these stocks. ANTM, for example, opened at 146.45. It has an expected high this week of 149.37, and it has a 75% hit rate on that. Not only that, but as you know, we could take that further and use the levels to on levels and the levels to win profit to help better manage the trade. That's an example on a weekly basis. We can do this on a monthly basis and a daily basis also. I'm going to use an example actually from today. Today is March 2nd, 2015. And as of March 2nd, 2015, right now, we are looking at a market that is in an uptrend, indicated by the market trend quality, but the trend quality is below 50%. Therefore, we find ourselves, unlike the weekly basis, on a daily basis, we find ourselves in a mildly bullish market. That means that we need to do, instead of just buying the best sector and just buying the best stocks within the best sector, we need to do some different things. The trend is still up, but it's not as good as a most bullish trend. Okay, so the different things we can do are these very easy basic concepts. We can go long the best sector, which is represented by the XLV. Once again, the healthcare sector is the best sector for this day. And we can go short the XLU, which is the worst sector for this day. Because we are in a mildly bullish environment, we can do what's called a pairs trade. A pairs trade is very simply going long one asset class and then going short a very highly correlated asset class to pair that or to hedge it in a different way. The other thing we can do is we can find the best stocks within the best sector, in this case the XLV, and go long 1, 2, or all of the stocks within the best sector, and then find the worst sector, or in this case the XLU is in a downtrend, and go short the stocks within the XLU. Again, do a pairs trade. Long story short, when we're in a mildly bullish environment, you do not want to take just a blind directional bet on any one asset class or any one stock. You want to hedge that. There's multiple ways you can hedge it, with options, with pairs trades, with going long one sector, short another sector, different things like that. In other videos, I'll go into some more advanced techniques that you can use to do these. On a monthly basis, you can do this exact same thing. If we're in a mildly bullish environment, you'd want to pairs trade. Go long the best sector, short the worst sector. Do this on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. And you can also do this, it's the same thing on the downside. If we find ourselves in a most bearish environment, meaning the market is down, we got a down arrow, market trend quality is above 50%, feel free to short the best performing sector within that market. If we're in a mildly bearish, that's when you want to do a hedge trade or a pairs trade. Go long the best sector, short the worst sector, or vice versa, and you'll find yourself much happier and find yourself much more profitable as a trader. Thank you, and I look forward to helping you in the future.